Then what do you mix it up? Ooh, child. Talk about an alligator, child. So, guys, if you have kids, right? If you have kids and you want to keep a party or children party, and you're trying to find like kids love candy, not to give them an extra sugar rush, but something that really gonna keep the kids excited, like with animals and stuff like that, and different shapes and size and stuff like that. This is an alligator, so this is my first alligator, crocodile, what you wanna call it. So guys, this is the 99 sweets from the 99 sweet shop. And these are candy. These are gummies. These are candy. Excellent. All right, so this is an alligator. Remember I showed you the eggs, right? And this is also the starfish, guys. So if you have a party coming up for your kids, or not to kill the kids with too much sugar, this is the turtle. And in the turtle, they have like these gummy inside of them, right? They have these gummies. So I'm going to show you how these gummy is. I usually have like a knife to earth, but I'm going to bite into it, all right? So here you go. See, like in the middle, like a little jelly type of flavor inside the middle, all right? This is a turtle. I don't think I can have all of this, but saying that I'm having friends over, definitely, people just want something to snack on, right? The good thing is that they're not overly sweet and they're not overly sugary. Some of them have little sprinkles on them, but it's not sour at all. Slightly, but not really. And it really tastes good. The last time I have these, I almost eat off the bag in probably 2-3 days. All right, this is a brain. This is a brain, guys. And remember, we have the teeth them. These are teeth, right? So these are also candies comes in teeth. I think these are some new ones that comes in that I had in. I had more pineapple rings. I love the pineapple. It's a little bit more sweeter than most of them. All right. So let's go through all of this, guys. I think these are grapes. Probably these are grapes, gummy. Heart shapes. We have Rosalie. We have whales. Delicious. These whales as well, guys. Remember, they're from the 99 sweet. Oh, it's cherry. It's cherry. I thought this was grape. All right, guys. I'm going to pin the shop again, guys. And if you are interested, if you're having a party coming up, if you have a kids party or even an adult party, you're looking for something that is really, really, really delicious candy, you can put these in a bowl and put them out. And people, or sometimes you want to infuse them with some Tito's, some little vodka, and soak them nice, and they just dry them off. It's really, really, really good infusion, right? Ooh, this is a blueberry. This is a blueberry. This is the first I'm seeing these one. I'm seeing a blue whale. The good one too with the whale also have jello inside of it. So when I go like this and open it up, what do you see inside of this whale? Wow. So I call these whales Rosalie. Delicious. All right. Guys, I'm trying to pin the shop again, guys. I'm gonna try to pin the shop again. A lot of people are sending me requests. I'm gonna try to pin this. Why you always in your uniform? Aliyah. Why I'm always in my uniform? I'm a registered nurse and I'm employed. I am employed and I just came home from wherever I'm coming from, my business. And I wear, scrub is what I wear majority of my time. Okay? Same like people who work in restaurants and stuff like that, business at they work in offices and they have to be in certain attire. I am a nurse and I work in the OR and I'm a registered nurse or a student in nurse anesthesia school, and I wear scrub 99% of the time. So don't hate me for my scrubs. All right. You need a TikTok shop. Oh yeah, I probably do. All right, so I'm gonna paste this comment and pin. All right, so we're going through the more candy girl. All right, remember it's 99.90 sweet. This is where you can find. All right, I have another alligator, guys. I have another alligator. So I got 2 alligators, right? I'm sure your kids are gonna love this. Don't tell me no. Definitely your kids are gonna love these candies. Undoubtedly. So these are 2 crocodile or alligator. Not only that, they comes in good colors too. Alright. Then you have some regular gummy bears. I have more of these here. He did give me a lot. Oh, so I'm pepper, yeah? This is a nice pepper. Just putting them on here. And remember, I have the star. Got a few more star. I haven't tasted the star, but let me go ahead and taste the star. All right. The star is a little chewy compared to the rest of them. But it has a good flavor. It has a very good flavor, but it's a little bit more chewy than the rest of them. Really take it good. I have to bite in it too hard, but it tastes good. I'm gonna try the blueberry in a bit. Ooh, not my favorite, only because